Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher, and today we're on a 2015 Sea Ray 510 Sundancer. Starting off with the swim platform back here. This is a hydraulic swim platform. Drop down underwater. Jet ski dinghy on it. Coming into the cockpit here. This nice large sectional. Over here, the starboard side, you have your grill and ice maker. Coming in through the sliding glass doors over here, once again starboard, you have your refrigerator, storage, along with your sink up here, and your TV. Over here you have this nice large L-shaped sectional on the port. Up here at the helm, this helm seat does spin out, so you can have a little bit more of a social setting. Joystick docking, Zues pods. Speaking of Zues pods, 330 hours on the 600 horsepower Cummins and 600 hours on the generator. All right, coming downstairs, lower salon. Once again, big sectional over here to starboard, and your galley over here to port. Entertainment center here. Here's your control panel. Up here is the VIP berth. That's the enclosures there that go over the back, so you can close off that back even more. Your head, it's a dry head in here, as well as your master stateroom, which we're heading to right now. Okay, back here in the master, here's your head, dry head once again, and a nice big berth back here, full access to both sides of the bed. Once again, Captain Ben Beecher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Set up an appointment today. Call or stop in, but it's stored at our marina. Easy to show. Thanks. Have a great day.